Good day, everyone, and welcome to today's live trading session. My name is Anthony Phillips Njoku, and I'm a certified professional trader. I'm the founder of 10 Digital Link, where everyone has a knowledge gap, where everyone who has a knowledge gap in digital trading, real estate, rental property business, can be able to go into this industry and strive after they have gotten a package or a subscription package from our website, learned the formula and implemented this formula to be able to make good profit in that industry. Okay, so diving deeper into what we have today, we have ECB interest rate decision. ECB interest rate decision. And in a short while, we'll be sharing our screen. So we'll study the charts and be able to share some tips and tricks. Please don't forget to smash the like button, comment below any extra pair you would like us to check out, and don't forget to always subscribe and click the bell notification icon so that whenever we go live or whenever we post our content, you'll be notified. So I hope that you enjoy today's live trading session, and most importantly, you'll be able to make profits. That's the main reason why we're here, so you can be able to make profits. That's the main reason. Okay, so by now you should be able to see my screen, and currently this is euro against the Great Britain pound on the 4-hour time frame, and we called out this signal to our team, and also we called out the signal on our Telegram channel. So if you missed out on this trading call, the link is going to be on the description. I'll drop the link on the description so you can join our Telegram channel and get free signals every day. One free signal every day, and we try as much as possible to drop the daily analysis of the market every day as well. So we send the signals, and after we send the signals, we also drop the daily analysis. Okay, so don't hesitate to take this opportunity. Don't just procrastinate. Click the link below and grab that opportunity right now. So the next is, let's check out the current news lines. So in 11 minutes time, we have ECB interest rate decisions. ECB interest rate decisions, and it is at 4.5% and expected to be 4.5%. So we have not gotten the actual results. The forecast is meant to be 4.5%, and if this remains unchanged, we are going to see what a weakness in the euro currency unit. That's why we called out the sell signal on euro GBP earlier today, because we had early this morning unemployment rates for the euro to be lower than consensus, which made the euro to be weak. So it was higher than consensus. You can see 11.84% is higher than 11.5%, which was even higher than last month's own. Sorry, the second quarter's own. 11.6% was second quarter, and third quarter is 11.84. So so we're watching out for the market in about 9 minutes time to get the actual result. 9 minutes and 35 seconds. You can look at the angle over here. So I want to share with you guys. This is it. This is it. So we heard some ECB comments from IFO that they have reached the point of no more hiking of interest rate for the ECB. No more hiking of interest rate for the ECB. We have reached that point. So at this point, they are not sure if they are going to really hike the interest rate. You can see here, this is a higher than expected figure should be seen as positive for the euro, while a lower than expected figure should be seen as negative. But I want us to check out the reaction of the market previously. How the market has reacted to data. You can see consensus over here. We have Euro USD. We have 87% are long on Euro USD. Then on Euro GBP, consensus is that 78% are short. So that's why I'm much comfortable with trading Euro GBP, because Euro GBP has higher traders aside from Euro USD. Euro USD, a lot of traders is saying that this is 36% of traders in the whole world is trading Euro USD for a buy, but Euro GBP, 12% of traders are saying it's for a short. So I'm along with consensus, and I'm along with sentiment. I'm trading along with sentiment as well with the structure in the market. So in less time, that should be around 115. We'll be able to confirm the reaction of the market. So let's check the previous data. So over here you can see this was July, June, May. This was when this data was released. And I'm looking for a particular data when the market was unchanged. I'm looking for a particular point when the market got data and it was unchanged. So over here we have previous is 4.25%, consensus is 4.25%, and actual is 4.5%. This was on September 14th by one September 14th. Let's check out September 14th by 1:15. June, July, August, September. Let's check out September 14th. Okay, so this is, let's say, 1:15. Okay, this is 1:15, September 14th. Let's go to that. It was higher than expected, you understand? So what the market did is spiked up and then spiked down. Let's calculate the pips the market moved after that news. It was higher than expected. So the market spiked up, you understand? It spiked up 16 pips and then spiked down. The lowest of that move was about 28.5 pips. That was on September 14th. Then on July 27th, the previous was 4%, and expected to be increased by 25 base points, and it was increased by 25 base points. How did the market react? When they expected it to be increased, it was increased. Let's see how the market reacts. At this point, we didn't expect it to be increased, but it was increased and the market sold. Then at this point, we expected it to be increased and it was increased. Let us see how the market reacted by 1:15. What day was that? This is July 27, 2023. July 27, 2023. July 27. By this time, 1:15. Okay, so by that time, what really happened was that the market from this point, as soon as the news came out, there was no spike up this time around because we expected it, and it sold off to about uh, 43.42 pips. Okay, so in less than 5 minutes we'll be getting the ECB news, so let's be ready for that. In less than 5 minutes, I think the same reaction is going to occur here on June 15th. So currently we were expecting data to be unchanged, and it was changed there. Then there was a sell-off, but it was not much. So I'm looking for a particular data whereby we were expecting it to be unchanged, and it was unchanged. Let's go to the number two list. Please don't forget to like, comment below the pair you would like us to analyze, and share this content. Share this content. Share this content. Okay, this is this is June 9, 2022. 000. Wow, 000. So I don't see any data that great. So July 21st, 2022, that was when the hike of interest rate started. You understand? It's the hike. This 25 base points was 5 base points, and it has been going up since then. And they have been hiking. They have been hiking even when it was expected not to be hiked. Over here, it was not hiked, but the previous was 2. And this current situation we have is quite different. Over here, it is 4.5, 4.5, and and it is just like the previous one whereby it was 4.25, 4.25, and it was hiked. The market dropped, but it dropped to just 28 pips. Okay, so with this information now, we know that if there is a hike, we should expect a spike. If there is a hike, you should expect a spike, which is the market is going to go up and then come back down. Okay, so that's what we expect. If there is a hike on today's news, we should expect a spike to go up, then come back down. Then it's going to go to about 28 pips or so. Okay, so we need to know that the market is what, it's mathematics. It is programmed already. About 28 pips. So if we see a high, just expect a spike upwards about 16 pips. Okay, 16 pips spike to the upside. Then before we go to the downside, because we didn't expect a hike to come. So, like I told you guys, this is interest rate, and we have gone through the whole data. So when this news comes out in less than in few minutes time, or less than 5 minutes time, we then focus next on the US goods trade balance. We check out all the US pairs, starting from Euro USD down to gold USD. Okay, and the news is coming out by 1:30. So this news could either give the dollar some strength, or give the dollar some weakness. So we patiently wait. We patiently wait. If you're not in, take your positions. Kindly take your positions. By now you should be in, because we sent this signal very very early in the morning. Very early in the morning, around 10 o'clock or 9:30 or so. I sent these signals. So by now you should be in. So let's wait and see what the reaction will be. If there is a high, there is high chances that the market will spike to the upside, then come down. So 1 minute to go. Let's see the countdown. You can count with me. Let's see if there's going to be a hike. If there's a hike, there will be a spike up, then come down. So if you have not entered, you can really place a sell limit order to the upside. Don't really jump in. You can really place a sell limit order. The sell limit order is going to be at the entry, this point here. That's where the sell limit order is going to be. So if there's a hike, there will be a spike up, then spike down. But if there is no hike, the market could just keep going down smoothly. Okay. If there's no hike, the market could just go down smoothly. Just like the other day when Canada didn't hike their interest rate, it was weak against the dollar. Let's see what happens. No change. No change. No change. Let's see how the market reacts. No much, no much move, no much move. Expect the move to come out in about when this press conference. There's a press conference that will happen. There's a press conference that will happen in 29 minutes time. This press conference is the trigger. The gun is loaded now, but this press conference is the trigger that will pull it. Okay, so we need to be patient. We need to be patient. We need to be patient. The rate is unchanged. Okay, and this is the first time the rate has been unchanged since July 21st, 2022. So from July 21st, 2022, there was 0% interest rate. But since then, July 21st, 2022 till September 24th, 2023, they have been hiking interest rate, and they have hiked interest rate to about 4.5% for the banks. Okay, but today marks the first day since July 21st, 2022. So history was made today on 26th of October 2023 when the ECB of Europe stopped hiking interest rates. Okay, they stopped hiking interest rates. So at this point, you should be in by now and should be in profit. So hold your trade. Like I told you guys, by 1:30 West African time, we have more news coming out for the dollar pairs, which is continuous jobless claims and initial jobless claims, goods trade balance, which has to do with the import and export. I'll be more focused on the goods trade balance results on and not on others, because this has to do with import and export. When there is more import in a country, money will be lost. When there's more exports, money will be made. You understand? So that's why my current country, our government is quite encouraging manufacturing and exports, so that we can generate what foreign currencies. So in this point, when we get a result that is lower than expected for the goods trade balance of the United States of America, dollar will be losing some strength. Okay, if we get lower than expected, but if we get higher than expected, which has to do with that there is more export and less import, dollar will gain some strength. So let us check out dollar pairs. Let us check out some dollar pairs. For those that missed our signal, this could be an opportunity for you to take a live trade here with us. Okay, so let me check out dollar pairs. We're starting with the DXY. You cannot start dollar trading without knowing what the DXY is doing. DXY represents the strength of the dollar. Fantastic. DXY represents the strength of the dollar. Let's check out the higher time frame. We go from the higher time frame downwards. Okay, currently what I can see on the DXY is it broke this resistance, and after it broke this resistance, it used this week to find as support, and it's continuously moving upwards. So if I'm to look closely, the next resistance we have, which we have a complete reversal in the market, is this point. This is the point where we have the next resistance. So we still have high chances of what market moving to the upside, but you need to think in probabilities. You need to think in probabilities, which means that the market can simply start reversing at the current point where it is. The market can just start coming to the downside if this news is wrong. Okay, the market can start coming to the downside. And if I should look at these candles very well, these current candles in the market I'm looking at, if I should look at this candle, this looks like a doji candle. A doji candle which it has a reversal. It has formed a reversal entry, which there's high chances for the market to start coming down from here. And if I'm to mark out another resistance based on resistance and support, let me show you. This is what I see over here. So why I do that is because of this. First of all, the market supported price here and price moved up. Then price broke this support and turned it into resistance and fell. Price was resisted here and fell. and then price back here and was resisted here and fell. Price came up here, was resisted here and fell. So at this point, this could be a stop on. This could be a stop on. But we're going to wait for the news to be out before we take our actions. But if I'm able to see a very good trade setup, then we can be able to take the trade. But what I know for sure is that price is currently close to a resistance point, which is the ceiling. So let me check out pairs like AUD USD. Okay, this is AUD USD now. Okay. From what I can see here, AUD broke this support and currently used it as resistance. And there's high chances the market can continue selling from here. If that news turns out good for dollar, you can be expecting more or downward push for AUD against the dollar. So in less than 10 minutes time, we should expect the good trade balance of the United States of America. I'm not comfortable with what I'm seeing on AED USD. Let me check another pair. Okay, let's go on a higher time frame first. This is USD against the Swiss franc. This is a good trade setup. This is a good trade setup. The market moves up. This is a good trade setup. This is what I'm to say, and based on the looks of things here for Swiss franc against dollar against Swiss franc, I won't say that I can see this is like to mark out that level. This is like a resistance point. This will resist the market from going more up. Okay, so this will be a resistance point, which is a selling. If you throw a ball at the ceiling, what does the ball do? The ball hits the ceiling and comes back down. So this could be the ceiling that the price has hit and is trying to come back down. But based on what I can see here, I won't jump into the market yet until the news is out for the good trade balance. Let's go down to a smaller time frame. No, the price could just keep going upwards. No, I'm more bullish for USD I'm expecting it to go more up. Yeah, so I'll be looking for buy setups instead of sell setups for USD. That's what that's what I see. That's what I think. I'm looking more of buy setups. You can see structures has been broken to the upside, and there's no structure that has been broken to the downside. So buy stops are being triggered. Buyers are being triggered. They just keep taking the trade to the upside. Okay, so we're looking more for the buy setups. So let's go to another trade. Let's go to another pair. Let's check GBP USD. Hours time frame. Wow, GBP USD just broke structure to the downside. And do you know what that is? It took liquidity. GBP USD took liquidity from here. And if you can look closely, this is a support level. This is support level. This seems quite identical to GPJPY. Quite identical to GPJPY. So this is more of a support level. Yes. So I think we found our trade. I think we found our trade. Okay, so this is GBP US. So it took out liquidity from below here, and after it takes out liquidity from below, I expect what a reversal. I expect some not really a reversal. I expect a correction. I expect a correction of this move. I expect a correction of this move, and the market is currently at a support. Okay, it's at a support. So we can expect market to come back. There's high chances of what a reversal from the 50% level. Okay, so from this point now, this is going to be more of a swing trade. You can place GP USD for a buy, taking it up to this level. Let's see. This is, we'll take it 40 pips, 40 pips, and then 80 pips take profit. Yes, so these are our trade. GP USD, buy GP USD now. Buy GP USD now. I'll be sending a signal. Give me some time to set the signal to the guys. And as well, take the trade. Let's go down to a smaller time frame. Okay, this is a good trade. So in less than 5 minutes time, we have the news coming out. In less than 5 minutes time, so watch out, guys. I'll be placing GPUSD trade right now on my account. Apply proper risk management. Apply proper risk management. Buy GPUSD now, guys. Buy GPUSD now. We did 40 pips stop loss, 80 pips take profit. It's 1:2 risk to reward. 1:2 risk to reward. 40 pips stop loss, 80 pips take profit. Buy GPUSD now. Listen the trade on my account. Buy GPUSD now. Apply proper risk management. Apply proper risk management, guys. I place the trade on my account. Applying proper risk management now. Buy GPUSD now. Buy GPUSD now. Forty pips stop loss, take 20 pips, take 80 pips take profit. So let's go and see what they apply proper risk management. Don't forget to apply proper risk management before any other thing. Just apply proper risk management. Put your stop loss 40 pips below. This is a live trade. Okay, in less than a minute time, we'll have the durable goods for dollar. My stop loss are in. My stop loss are, let's check out what the effect. So 21 seconds to go. Hope you guys are in. GPUSD for the buy. Good trade balance in 10, 9, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. that's higher than the forecast. So we should expect GPUSD to be going to the downside. Close your trade on little profit. Close that GPUSD on little loss. Let me see how the market reacts. I think the market is moving up. It's currently at a support. Let me see. Let's go down to a smaller time frame. Okay, it went back to the other block. We went back to the other block to activate some trades that was left. Hold it. Hold your trade. I think the market is moving up. It's not going down. There is no massive, although the news is positive for the dollar, I think that it's a reversal call. So hold your GPUSD trade. This is a break of structure. This is a change of character. Hold your trade. Hold your trade. Let me send in the take profit and the stop loss. Let me send in the take profit and stop loss. Okay. I hope you guys are in profit. Those guys that missed out on our signals, I hope you should be in profit now on GPUSD. Hold your trade. Hold your trade. The news came out positive for the dollar. There is high exports in dollar. There is less unemployment claims for the dollar. So you can see over here, you can see that. So there is continuous jobless claims increased, initial jobless claims increased. So there are jobless claims, people that lost jobs increased. So we can take note of this for non-farm payroll, because when there are less people who has jobs, there will be less people who are paid income. You understand? And it could affect the non-farm payroll for next month, first Friday of next month, which should be next week Friday, which is November 3rd. Okay, so GDP growth is high because dollar is high. The durable goods order for manufacturers is high because goods trade balance is high. When goods trade balance is high, durable goods orders, every durable goods orders will be high. Okay, durable order month over month will be high across the whole sectors because good trade balance is high. Okay, so your USD trade. Let me send in the take profit and the stop loss for everyone to utilize. Hold your trade. Hold your trade. Hold your trade. Okay. Hold your trade, guys. Yeah, we're moving. We're moving like a rocket. We're moving like a rocket. I'll be sending the coordinates for just the VIP students. I'll not be sending the coordinates for everyone. Though I already called out the signals for the public group, but that's no worries. So hold your trade, guys. I really appreciate you taking this trade. I hope you apply proper risk management. These are for those who miss the signals we sent. These are for those who miss the signals we sent in the morning. Okay. So this is how we trade. This is how we do it. This is our job. Okay. This is the 50% Fibonacci retracement, and from there you are to expect any continuation. Okay. market needs to get to that point first. Okay. And if the market wants to continue selling, it needs to break this support. That's why we put our stop loss below this support, which is a floor. Bounce the ball on the floor. What happens? It bounces on the floor and goes up. Please don't forget to smash the like button. As in, destroy that like button. Comment and share this video, share this content. We sent out 2 profitable signals, guys. This is not easy. Come on, give us some payback. Your like and your shares is what we need. Share it on your different social media platform. Copy the link, post it on your status. Take a picture. Take a picture as you're doing this live trading session. Comment, tag me on Instagram, and add this link there. This is going to go a long way, because what you share is what you attract, and it's what you declare is what you possess. So I'm trying to declare that you're going to help. Take a picture, post it on your Instagram, post it on Facebook, tag me. We are friends on Facebook, we're friends on Instagram. Instagram is the free land. Tag me. My hashtag is at TonyFX, ITZ underscore TonyFX. So tag me, and I can be able to give you a round of applause for this. This is more of an encouragement. You posting my content on your social media and tagging me and sharing your own feedback is a very big encouragement. So hold your trades, GPUSD. Hold your trades. Let's hit the target. I already sent the signals, and I hope everybody makes some good money, because that's what we're doing here. We're here to make money, too. We're here to make money. We're here to discuss, make money, and live a better life. Thank you. Have a profitable trading week. Okay, I sent the signal. Okay, over here I see somebody said waiting for the signals on GPUSD. I sent the signals. I hope you got the signals, guys. I sent the signals. I'm not going to post it here, but I already sent the signal, and I marked it out on the chart as well. I marked out the signals on the chart. Okay. So I'm not comfortable with this. We already have our trade, so let's let it run. Thank you once more. So if you want to learn about trading, you can click the link below. You can purchase our course. We have a course on stellar.com. You just make payments, you gain access to our website. Our website will be inviting 2 international guests, one from USA and one from London, who is going to be taking you from the beginner to the pro level. And then I'll be here to guide you through the trading sessions. I'll be here to guide you through the implementations. I'll be here to guide you through any challenge you might have. Okay, and if you're here right now and this is your lucky day, you took the opportunity that was presented to you, which is the opportunity of clicking the link to join this, or clicking the link to watch this video. Okay, so if that is your opportunity, this is your gift. Your gift is 50% discount. Most of our courses range from 1 month down to 1 year. 1 month down to 1 year. We have 1 month, we have 3 years, 3 months, we have 6 months, we have 1 year. So if you're able to get this video and get to this point of this video, you can get our course at a 50% discount. This discount ends on October 31st. We're celebrating 15,000 views on YouTube. So it's because of you who has been watching our content, following our content, and supporting our content. That's why we're giving this discount. Okay, so try as much as possible to grab this opportunity. Try as much as possible to share this opportunity with your friends who want to learn, so that they can grab the 50% discount as well. You can become an athlete and earn commissions. Okay, so if you want to be an athlete, just reach out to me on my social media handle, which is going to be on the description, and you let me know that you want to be an athlete. You can earn up to 30% on introducing this course to your friends and your family. Okay, so just reach out to me, and I will be able to sign you up to become an athlete, and you can be able to join our system and be able to make good profits with us. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for the encouragement. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of my team. Thank you for being a very good support to the growth of this of this community. I really appreciate your love, and I'll keep doing what I do best, which is to serve you, to assist you to achieve financial freedom. Because what makes me happy is seeing the transformation in the lives of the people in the world when they become less bothered about money and live the life that they love. Okay, so I want to share with you guys some extra tips. I don't know if you guys are open-minded for some extra tips. I want to check out. I want to check out pairs like crypto pairs. I don't know if you guys are into crypto, because I think the crypto guys have been left out a lot. So I want to check out some crypto pairs. And one pair I have on my list I've been watching. These are the pairs I am watching for the next bull run. Okay, you can take a screenshot of it. Okay, these are the crypto pairs that will diversify on the next bull run. And I can remember on our live trading sessions we have been analyzing these pairs, but we stopped out, and this is what we are currently seeing. The market has started moving to the upside, and it has been moving to the upside massively. Okay, it's moving to the upside massively. This is Gala. Okay, this is Gala. And I can remember the last time you mentioned it was at October 1st. You mentioned October 1st, it was at 0.012. Currently it's at 0.019, which has high, it has entered to 0.02. So if you are yet to buy Gala, this is an opportunity. It has broken the monthly support. This is a monthly support, and this was where I was expecting to break before I can buy. So Gala is at a very good point where you can buy and make massive profits for the next bull run. Okay, okay. So you should know that crypto is more of investing and not trading. So you want to buy, you buy and wait for the next, let me say, wait for the next 10 days, wait for the next 10 months, and wait for the next 10 years. If you want to buy crypto, get ready to wait for the next 10 days. That's investing. I'm not talking about trading. Trading is quite volatile because crypto is highly volatile. Okay, so if you want to make money in crypto, you have to wait for the next 10 days, wait for the next 10 months, or wait for the next 10 years. Okay, that's for investments. Okay, so Gala broke a support. It was below the support before. That was why I never bought Gala. But if you can look closely, it broke this support. The market has been going up, and you can look, we have a counter trend line here. You have a counter trend line. Okay, and the market broke this counter trend line at this point and has been going up massively. So from where the market is currently, if we can be able to, because there's a breakout already, if we can be able to find a support or a 50% support, we can be able to take this Gala trade for the buy, because it has already broken our monthly support. That was what I wanted to understand. It has already broken our monthly support. This is for crypto guys. Okay, crypto guys have been missing out. So we're waiting for Gala to give us a support so you can be able to buy. This is more of investment. Okay, diversify. Okay, so this is the monthly support. It broke this monthly support, and this is 50% retracement point. So we should expect Gala to come back at this point, give us what a support, and then from here we'll be buying Gala to the upside. This could be, we'll hold this trade to the next bull run and to the next halving. Okay, but I'm so glad that Gala has closed uh, above the monthly resistance. It was a resistance before at this point, so I was quite unsure. But now it closed above it. I'm looking for my buy entries, and you can be holding Gala up to a very large amount. Okay, I hold it for a very long time. So that's what I see for Gala. That's what I see for Gala. And we have other pairs, but we're taking it one after the other. We already analyzed this. We already analyzed few pairs over here. So today is Gala, and this is my trade call for today, Gala. So if I'm to mark out the entry, I'll be entering at 50% Fibonacci retracement. What goes up shall come down. Okay, market doesn't move in one direction. Market moves in waves, so you don't really have to be quite in a hurry. Okay, so we can put our stop loss below this last low. Okay, and then we can hold it for an infinity return, which will be 10x return. Okay, 10x return, which means that if you put in $10, you can be making at least $100 from it. You put in 100, you put in $100, you can make $1,000 from it. So let's do the calculation. I'm talking about figures now. let's do the calculation. If you look close at this 50% retracement here, this is 0.01653. 0.01653. Let us go to calculator and calculate this. I just spoke about 100x return. So 0.01653. So let's say we buy Gala at 0.01653. How can we 10x our money when we invest in Gala? Let's say we buy this times, let's say someone invests $100. Let's say we invest $100. How many units, how many coins are we going to get? 0.01653 times 100. No. I think it's going to be, yeah, it's divided. 100 divided by, is not, this is not it. We need to do 100 divided by this. $5 at this point. So we need to get $100. $100 divided at divided by 0.016 is now equals to, what? Let's do the calculation. 100 divided by 0.01653. We're meant to get 6,049.6. Okay. So for us to make $1,000 of this amount, let's say okay. So we want to know if this, what price does this coin have to increase to for us to make 1,000, which is going to be 10x of our investment. So if the coin increases to 0.1, we make $604, which is not what we would need. If the coin increases to 0.15, we make $907, which is not what we need. If the coin increases to 0.2, then we make $1,290. So if the coin increases to 0. I think probably 1.8, we make $1,000, which is 10x of our money. Okay, so that's the 10x of our money, 0.18. That's 10x of our money. So if I'm to check which is 0.18, we take it off. This is quite a long way. This is the weekly resistance. We have a weekly resistance over here. Okay, we have a weekly resistance, and this is going to really take. A long time. It's going to take a long time. 0.18 is quite far. Okay, so this is 0.18 over here. It's going to give us $1,000. So I don't know if you guys can wait, but this is the level that the market is probably going to get to, and you can be able to. Okay, the market has been to that level before, so it's not a new thing. 0.18 gave you $1,000. You put $100 now. So if you put $100 on that price of 0.01653, $100 is going to be $1,000 when the market gets to 0.18. So you have to wait, because the next bull run is predicted to what? Go above this high. So the next bull run is predicted to go above this high. This is 0.83. Wow. Guys, this is a good investment. Diversify your money. Start buying coins. Diversify your money. If the market gets to this top 0.8, That $100 investment can give you 5,377. This is a good return of investment. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you guys got some value. I hope you got some value. I hope you got some value. I hope you got some value. If your GP is not in profit, you need to be patient. Too. You need to be patient. You need to be patient because I don't know where the price you entered GPUSD, but we entered GPUSD at a price when it was in profit. You need to be patient for the market. Okay. I see someone saying that his GP is not in profit, but mine. Let me see. You took the trade and it was in profit now. Mine is in profit. I don't know what you're saying. Mine is in good profit. I'll send you the screenshot shortly. Thank you so much for watching to this point, and have a profitable trading week.